To curry favor. चापलूसी करना. You should not curry favor with others. You should not curry favor with others. तुम्हें दूसरों की चापलूसी नहीं करनी चाहिए. He always try to curry favor with his boss. He always try to curry favor with his boss. वो हमेशा अपने बॉस की चापलूसी करने की कोशिश करता है. I came to the academy to learn, not to curry favor with him. I came to the academy to learn, not to curry favor with him. मैं एकेडमी सीखने आया हूं, उसकी चापलूसी करने नहीं. It was necessary for us to curry favor with that police officer. It was necessary for us to curry favor with that police officer. उस पुलिस ऑफिसर की चापलूसी करना हमारी जरूरत थी.